Success is achieving your dreams, right? Success is achieving your dreams, right?
It's more about continuous growth and learning. It's more about continuous growth and learning.
So, success is a journey, not a destination. So, success is a journey, not a destination.
Exactly. Every step forward counts. Exactly. Every step forward counts.
What if I fail along the way? What if I fail along the way?
Failure is just a lesson on the road to success. Failure is just a lesson on the road to success.
What motivates you keep going? What motivates you keep going?
Passion and the belief in my abilities. Passion and the belief in my abilities.
Is success different for everyone? Is success different for everyone?
Absolutely. It's subjective and personal. Absolutely. It's subjective and personal.
How do you define success then? How do you define success then?
Fulfillment in what you do and who you become. Fulfillment in what you do and who you become.
Can success be measured? Can success be measured?
Sometimes, but not always by external standards. Sometimes, but not always by external standards.
What role does hard work play? What role does hard work play?
It's the foundation, but smart work is critical too. It's the foundation, but smart work is critical too.
Do you think luck is a factor? Do you think luck is a factor?
Luck might open doors, but it's not everything. Luck might open doors, but it's not everything.
Any advice for achieving success? Any advice for achieving success?
Stay focused, be persistent, and embrace challenges. Stay focused, be persistent, and embrace challenges.
What's your biggest success so far? What's your biggest success so far?
Finding joy in the journey, not just the outcome. Finding joy in the journey, not just the outcome.
Success seems complex, doesn't it? Success seems complex, doesn't it?
Indeed, it's a blend of dedication and resilience. Indeed, it's a blend of dedication and resilience.
Can success be overwhelming? Can success be overwhelming?
Balance is key. Don't let it consume you. Balance is key. Don't let it consume you.
How do you handle setbacks? How do you handle setbacks?
Learn from them, adapt, and keep moving forward. Learn from them, adapt, and keep moving forward.
Is success a continuous pursuit? Is success a continuous pursuit?
Yes, evolving and adapting to new aspiration. Yes, evolving and adapting to new aspiration.
Does success bring happiness? Does success bring happiness?
It can, but genuine happiness comes from within. It can, but genuine happiness comes from within.
What's your ultimate goal for success? What's your ultimate goal for success?
To make a positive impact on others' lives. To make a positive impact on others' lives. Success and fulfillment intertwined, right? Success and fulfillment intertwined, right? Absolutely. One complements the other seamlessly. Absolutely. One complements the other seamlessly.
Any final thoughts on success? Any final thoughts on success?
I will tell you always one things, keep working hard. I will tell you always one things, keep working hard.